Another Fizzle Sticks production. BEI.
Well, it's a smoky, dopey Arab and a dynamic duo. The cutting committee, the lyrical mechanic hero. And you know that we serve the people nice and with good life like reversing evil twice.
I'm from a world where your cash couldn't buy an idea. So fuck the po-po, we're getting high up in here. See, my rhyme is official, time's not an issue. Sit back, click, clack, yo, my mind is a missile.
Yeah, we're rude with the manners, but we're cool with the grammar. So we got mothers feeling this, the fucking dudes in the slammer, brewing the bangers, and our show is a spectacle. My damn crew is bananas, the flow is impeccable. We just roll up through the hills and the meadows with you. Hold up, this is bliss to the SO, so go nuts. Let me hear your belly bellow, okay?
Yeah, we don't flash cash under neon lights. My name is Mad Max, bitch, and we want rights. I got the bull by its horns, the beast by its tail, a brain off its leash that's deeper than Yale. Shockwaves through your hood when I properly drop this. Double barrel brainstorm to bang in your cockpit. So how you feeling, Bliss?
Man, I never been better. This veteran's clever at stringing every letter together, banging like a set of Berettas, not a getter of cheddar. Instead, I roll up to the bash in the fucking Nebuchadnezzar. Oh my God, throw 'em up like Krylons, and we gon' get it cracking like a party in Zion. We just roll up through the hills and the meadows with you. Hold up, this is bliss to the SO, so go nuts. Let me hear your belly bellow, okay?
Check it out. Hey yo, I blow bricks back. That's what happens when I talk smoked out. No doubt, Ace Steffi's on a porch and I'm not a joke. I blaze up the broccoli, I rock the boat, I break